This video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how we're able to grow $9,000 to almost $20,000 in less than 16 months. In less than 16 months, using the power of DCA, that is dollar cost average. And I'm going to share this with you. And this is something you can do even if you're a complete beginner in this space. And as you can see on my screen right now, I'm looking at the Wix token. I've been talking about Wix token for those of you who have been following me either on my Twitter or my Telegram. I've been talking about Wix token. I'm a fan of exchange token. You can see what BNB is currently doing. You can see what BGB, for those of you who bought when I actually talked about it, when it was less than $1 is doing. You can see what the OKS token is doing right now. And this time around, I'm emphasizing and pushing you to buy the Wix token. But here is the thing, guys. You don't need to go ahead and buy all of the tokens in one day. You can apply this same strategy that we have used to build $9,000 to over $20,000 now and still make money in this space. And let me just show you in a moment. So if I go to my spreadsheet, this has been keeping records of, doing dollar cost averaging, buying small, the Wix token every day for 1 year plus. As you can see, we started this campaign 1st of January 2024, and what is the daily investment is just $20 every day, right? It is $20 for this particular account. It doesn't mean you will have to do $20. If you have the capital to do more every day, good for you. I've shared a video of how somebody was investing $30 every day buying Bitcoin, right? I'm doing this is an experiment with the Wix token, and you can do it on any token of your choice, but be careful the token you go ahead and do your DCA with, because there are tokens that will take you high there and then the next moment they are off the market, right? Which is why you need to be very selective. So you can do this with the Wix token, you can do it with BTC, you can do it with any token of your choice. So this is what this campaign started 1st of January 2024. And this record, this particular record, though it's still going, but this particular record, you can see the last date here that it is actually on the 25th of April 2025. That is when this record stopped. And as at the time of this record, okay, $9,620 has already been invested, and you can see the amount of token that we have accumulated so far, and you can see the average entering price, and as at the 25th of April, this is the amount that this 9,000 is now worth. This is the power of DCA. It doesn't matter. You now, when you are DCAing, you don't care whether the price is going up or it's going down. Your own is just to consistently keep buying. And there are auto invest bot on these exchanges that can help you do this automatically. Just fund the account. Make sure that the account, there's USDT always in on the account, and it will automatically be buying based on the command you have given it, right? So, but here's the thing. The current price, this is the average, entering price as at the time for calculating this profit right here. But right now, the price is over 50% up rather from this average entering price. So what I need to do is to copy this right here. Okay, let me just copy the amount of token we have accumulated so far, and then use the current price to calculate this for you so that you see the difference, right? Once again, this is the power of dollar cost average. So what I need to do right now is to go to my browser right here. Let's go to, we can do this on the Wix exchange, but let me just go to CoinMarketCap. This is the Wix token. As you can see, this is the current price as at the time of making this video. And then if I come in here to where it says Wix to USD converter, just paste that amount, the accumulated tokens that we have carried out so far, and you can see that with this current price, this is worth over $19,272, right? This is the current price. So investing about 909,600 plus, you are all by over $10,000 just doing dollar cost averaging, buying every day. Right now, if you want to learn more about the Wix token, you can visit, the link will be in the video description, right? So there's a particular page on the Wix exchange website that has been dedicated. If you want to know everything about their total supply, everything, all of these data are available on their website. And then the total token that has been bought so far, all of these are being updated every now and then. You can get access to these, and you can see all of the allocations of the Wix token, the Wix exchange token, and you get a better idea. This token is still less than, you can see the price right here, guys. It is still less than $1. It is currently 0.04 right now, 0.42. Tomorrow it could hit $1 because these guys will continue to burn part of this token to reduce the total supply, right? To reduce the supply in the market, they'll keep burning part of this token, and then they keep giving out this token based on what they have allocated it for right here. So this is not in any way financial advice. This is what I do. And I feel I should share this with you for those of you that may want to take advantage of this. Those of you who followed when I was talking about the BGB token today, you can attest to that. If you bought BNB few years ago when it was less than $1 or even at $10, $12, today you can attest to that. So if you want to, guys, Wix is fast growing and the exchange would definitely do very well going forward. So it is one of those tokens that I recommend to my community members for anybody who want to invest in it. So go ahead and take advantage of it. You don't need to buy the whole Wix token today. You can start by investing for $5 every day. You can start by investing $20 every week for the next 2-3 years. You can start by investing $100 every month for the next 3-5 years. This is on a long-term projection. Not telling you go and put your $20 today and tomorrow you can turn it to $20,000. No, this is on a long term. I'm looking at a long term investment plan for the exchange token. So if you want to take advantage of these guys, join us on Telegram. I'll be updating you real time on some of these tokens that I've been putting my money in, and you too can start buying this token and keeping them. And when it appreciates, you can take profits and then keep holding the remaining. So if you are a believer of crypto, if you're a believer of the exchange tokens, then this is an opportunity for you to join us. So first, you need an account with the Wix Exchange. Make sure you use the link in the video description to sign up for an account. And you can join us on Telegram for regular updates, for free signals, and all of that. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new videos like this. And if you are seeing this on other platform, make sure you follow, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video.